too. New axles arrived. We're going to go through the fluids. And see how long it takes to blow another one, eh? Once you've done enough of these axles, they go pretty darn quick. And that was a shitty brake. Usually, you don't have any issues removing them.
I've never broken an axle. I haven't.
Oh, we're gonna need something. Axle install, boys. She's a little larger cup size, eh? Courtesy of Warhogs. If you're looking to sponsor somebody, well, I'm sure I can break a few more of these.
I'll fucking put them to the test.
Yeah, we will.
I'm sure that angle, that axle on that fucking tire, it will test it.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. Up we go, darling, up we go. Yeah, we're past you, I think.
Okay,
Drop them down and take them up.
yeah.
We're still sitting on fucking axle stands.
Right there, silicone spray. It's a must.
What's that for?
Silicone spray.
Oh. For the boots, yeah, you always use that shit, eh?
I've never used it. But I always had mine on there. They suggest using them because they burn themselves out at such a hard angle.
Well, I see them, they dry to crack anyway, so I mean, that's
Yeah.
not a bad thing.
That's what mine have done.
fucking right.
It wore. Okay, so you're all set up with that.
Yeah.
You get a healthy shot.
So, next to be front diff. You can see, this is where the fluid's going in. This is your fill level, and we'll get down there and crack the drain. However, I learned in my lesson in the past, Should always crack these bastards first, or at least your fill, because I've had Can-Am strip out, and if you can't get fluid in there and you've already emptied it out of there, well, that kind of poses a hindrance until you can get the easy out or whatever the fuck it takes to get it. So there it is there. We've got her cracked, and from there, she's easy. You can fuck around. They made the KingQuad pretty easy to do the fluids, boys. Not much of a headache, I will say. For maintenance, I'd say the Japanese know exactly what they're doing. That looks to be it, Troy. It is indeed. It is a 10 mil.
How's ratchets up?
That's the half.
Got it?
No. Yeah.
This size that one, that was to get my axle nuts off. Okay?
What's that? Let's see. That's the same, isn't it?
No,
Well, what is it? 29. Nah, too bigger.
it's tight. It's
Oh,
29, it
the
should
big
be
old
30.
grizz.
He gave me that one, and that is a snap-on impact socket.
Just like that, boys. Again, this one here's got a washer that likes to stick, and it is sticking. I can see it up in there, so you don't want to lose that in your fluid.
Shit, I can't believe he gave me that.
There we go. Just a little pry with the thumbnail. I don't know if you guys caught that, but it released. Oh, talking to the camera. And let's take a look at our front diff. Now, it's the bellow vent, so I'm expecting to see some water because it's been a long time. Here she goes. Well, it's actually not that bad.
The only time you got worried when nothing comes out, or nothing will, or nothing will come out.
Only worry when nothing comes out or nothing will come out. Yeah, let's pull this top one here, and then we should she should free flow on those. Fucking mosquitoes.
My rear diff before it blew that last time there and snapped in half. I did a fluid change on. I had to drive around the block 4 times with a diesel. Diesel on the diff, and it still wouldn't come out. 4 times heating it up with diesel. 10s, 12, 14, 17s, 19s. That's all you need. With the Yamaha.
Yeah. Suzuki's are pretty simple things too. Basically they are. You know, you can almost keep the same tool pack on a KingQuad as you can on a Grizzly. All the same tools will get you out. So there that one is.
Everything's the same.
Just like that, guys. And when we start adding into the top one, when she starts coming out the one lower, you know you got the level desired. And she's good to
Might
go.
want to rub some crap, or that's probably had oil on it.
It's just the front diff. She'll be good. She ain't gonna hurt the diff. As long as she's a majority of the viscosity that they want, I think we're good. Damn Japanese bikes, they can run on water. You prove that.
Only for so many years.
Only for so many years. For so many thousand kilometers. That's it, boys. I'm done. Sure does. Sure does. So yeah, front diff, boys. The regular 80-90. Nothing special here, which is nice because it keeps things affordable.
That pretty near make you puke if you're a Can-Am guy in the water all the time changing your fluids, man. With Blair's, you almost have costs.
Oh, I know. I know. You're absolutely right. Actually, let's let that rain a little longer. Yeah. Let it rain.
Well, you got it by the jug. Just pour a little through the top and let it rinse out.
A little flush is what you're saying,
Yeah.
my brother. That's not a bad idea when you've got the bulk. That's actually a really good idea. It keeps things nice and clean.
Did you? Yeah. I might have said it was down. Sometimes they say that, eh?
We're going to drop that
Just so it don't have to go riding.
plug back in there. Here's our filings. Off our magnet. Completely normal. Nothing to worry about there. There we go. Not too tight, but tight.
I had to tap mine.
Really?
Yep.
No.
That's why I stopped doing fluid changes on the front.
Just good and tight. We don't need the stripper. Alright, so. The front diff does not hold too much. Another shot. That should be enough. By the time that makes its way in there, that should be enough. And you can see she's starting to drip and make its way out of the level hole. There we go. She's bleeding out of there nicely, so we'll just give that a minute to slow up and then we'll stick them back in, and that is your front diff. Just like that, boys. Easy peasy. We'll turn you back on when we get to the rear. I think you've seen enough for that one. 19 mil, boys. A little jerk. That's all she takes. I'll remove that guy. I'll let the air in there. Again, you got a washer there, so make sure she doesn't stick to the top and go in your oil. This does happen. Yeah, the rear's vented off nicely. She's actually looks really good. Not bad at all. That's all she takes. That's what you're looking for. Transmission and hydraulic fluid. Oh yeah, I guess I should mention, for the back diff, you're just going to fill this baby right to the bottom of these threads. So right up to the top of this hole basically. And that is your fill level for your rear diff.
Hey, come in. I ate you for a bit.
How's it going, buddy?
Good. Like that looks good.
Oh nice, yeah.
You see them bad boys yet?
Yeah, that looks nice.
Yeah, he says fucking, just cut the mounting. Think there's any lines or measuring to do to cut the mounting?
I like the way that looks.
Oh, it's a pain in the fucking ass, eh?
Looks good when it's done. but
Does
it's a pain in the
ever,
fucking
yeah.
nuts.
Wow, looks sharp.
That's good. I like it.
Now he's just gotta get the glass cut.
Yep.
Looks sharp, boys.
What are you doing? Put that in the back. Hold it.
That's it.
Man, I got the backboard for this guy grab.
I know you do.
That's it by our own shot. We're bleeding out there now, boys. So we'll just let that drain off. Yeah, I'm wasteful. I'm wasteful. Without a doubt. We'll let that drain off, pull the funnel out, throw your plug back in, rear diff, done, complete. That's all your fluids on the KingQuad, boys. It's that easy.